press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show how to download and use Lightroom presets in mobile. Let's start. First step, how to download preset by Google Drive. At first you have to find password. Finding the password is very simple. You just have watch the full video in YouTube app. Follow iCard and collect a password from iCard. Next go to the description box and find out preset link. And click on the link. Now select your web browser. Enter collected password, and access. Click this icon and download the preset. Now open your Lightroom mobile app. And then click this icon. Select the new preset DNG file. And click the Add button. Open your new preset. And then click this icon. Then select Copy Setting. And click Done. Now select your normal photo. And then click this icon again. And select Paste Setting. Now click on the share icon. And save to device. Finally, now we are done. Next step, how to download preset by Dropbox. Let's try, and just repeat the same process.